Today, I'll show you how to use the free plugin GTranslate to add and customize a translate button anywhere on your site, or get your site to automatically translate to a visitor's language. Now, before we start making website changes, there's a chance of unexpected errors, so you should quickly take a backup. I'd recommend BlogVault because there's guaranteed restores and many unique features. To install GTranslate, you can find it in the WordPress plugin library and install and activate it. Next, you can click on Settings and select the languages that you want to make available on your site. So, by default, the language options will appear like this, but if you want them to appear in their native names, just go here in your dashboard. Then select this option to show the native language names and click Save Changes. One good option to make your website more user-friendly is to display the country flags next to the language names like this. So, in our settings, just go here. Now, to display flags, just select this option and save changes. Next, we will go here and choose where to display the translate button on your site, on your header menu like this, or your footer menu like this. So select your option and yes, you guessed right, click Save Changes. Now, to prioritize the mobile version of your site, you can go back to your dashboard and then click Appearance, then Widgets, and then you can just drag the GTranslate widget to whichever part of your site you think is best, like I'm doing here, and then click Done. Okay, let's say you didn't want visitors to manually choose their language. Instead, you wanted to automatically translate the site to a visitor's preferred language, like someone in Spain sees your English site in Spanish. Here's how we do that. Go to the plugin settings and enable the option to automatically switch the website to the browser language and click Save Changes. When you translate the content of a site, you also want to translate the metadata so Google can help you rank higher. But what might be a good keyword in your native language may not be so in another language. So you can run a quick keyword search on Ahrefs by entering the translated word, selecting the target country, and reviewing the results to understand how to modify that keyword. Comment below if you need any help.